The 2026 Jeep Wrangler is about to change the game, and smart truck buyers are waiting. Why? Because this is the last year for the legendary V8, a hybrid with insane 332 pound-feet of torque and off-road tech so advanced it makes every other SUV look outdated. But here's the real reason number 3 will shock you. Stick around because you don't want to miss this. Reason 5. Next-gen hybrid drivetrain. The 2026 Wrangler 4xe isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Jeep has completely re-engineered its hybrid system, starting with the cutting-edge ZF8 HP80PH transmission. This groundbreaking unit represents a complete reimagining of hybrid technology for off-road applications. The new transmission integrates motor control directly into the housing, eliminating separate electronic control units that previously added complexity and potential failure points. This streamlined approach not only reduces weight, but also enhances reliability in harsh off-road conditions, where traditional electronic components might struggle. The electric motor itself has undergone a fundamental redesign, now employing welded copper rods instead of the traditional coiled wire construction. This advanced manufacturing technique significantly boosts power density without increasing the motor's physical footprint, allowing for more power in the same compact space. The hydraulic efficiency improvements are equally impressive, with fluid requirements dropping dramatically from 3.1 liters to just 1.8 liters. This reduction not only improves efficiency, but also reduces maintenance requirements and environmental impact. Reason 4. More power, better range for the 4xe. The 2026 Wrangler 4xe delivers a staggering 215 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque from its electric motor, a dramatic leap from the current system's 134 horsepower and 181 pound-feet. This massive power increase transforms the 4xe from a capable hybrid to a true performance machine. The additional torque proves invaluable for rock-crawling scenarios, where precise throttle control and instant torque delivery can mean the difference between conquering an obstacle and getting stuck. Highway acceleration also benefits significantly, allowing for confident merging and passing maneuvers that were previously challenging for hybrid SUVs. The electric-only range has been substantially improved, jumping from the current 21 miles to an impressive 31 miles. This 48% increase in range makes the 4xe a genuinely practical daily driver for many owners, capable of handling typical commutes entirely on electric power. The top electric speed has also been raised to 74.5 miles per hour, eliminating the need to rely on the gasoline engine for highway speeds during electric-only operation. Reason 3. V8's final production year. Here's the shocker. 2026 is the last year for the Wrangler's 6.4-liter Hemi V8. After this, it's gone for good. The 2024 Wrangler Rubicon 392 Final Edition was originally supposed to be the last model year for the 470 horsepower V8 variant. Jeep has announced that it will bring it back for another year due to popular demand. However, the 2026 model year will truly mark the end of an era as Jeep phases out its legendary 6.4-liter Hemi V8 from the Wrangler lineup. This 470 horsepower powerhouse has been the ultimate expression of American muscle in an off-road package, capable of rocketing the Wrangler from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. A feat that seemed impossible for a vehicle designed to climb mountains. The Rubicon 392's appeal extends far beyond its impressive acceleration figures. The massive V8 torque delivery provides unmatched capability for extreme off-road situations, while the deep rumble of the Hemi engine creates an emotional connection that hybrid and turbocharged engines simply cannot match. Paired with off-road enhancements like a 2-inch lift, heavy-duty Dana 44 axles, and specialized rock rails, the 392 represents the pinnacle of factory-built off-road performance. As emissions regulations continue to tighten globally, the 2026 Rubicon 392 represents the last opportunity for enthusiasts to own a factory-built V8 Wrangler. Limited edition badging and exclusive color options will distinguish these final examples, virtually guaranteeing their status as coveted collector's items. For those who appreciate the visceral experience of naturally aspirated V8 power, combined with uncompromising off-road capability, this model represents a piece of automotive history that won't be repeated. Reason 2. Styling updates. The 2026 Wrangler expands its already impressive color palette with highly sought-after options that reflect current market trends and customer preferences. Desert Tan returns as a nod to the Wrangler's military heritage, while the beloved Tuscadero Pink makes a comeback after overwhelming demand from enthusiasts. These additions join an already diverse range of colors, allowing owners to express their personality while maintaining the iconic Wrangler aesthetic that has remained largely unchanged for decades. New wheel designs across all trim levels represent a perfect blend of form and function. The updated designs improve strength-to-weight ratios, crucial for off-road performance where unsprung weight directly impacts handling and suspension performance. Enhanced bead retention technology ensures better tire sealing during aggressive off-road use, reducing the likelihood of pressure loss when airing down for improved traction on sand or rock surfaces. Reason 1. Improved ride quality. Jeep has finally addressed one of the most persistent criticisms of the Wrangler platform, with comprehensive improvements to ride quality and on-road manners. The 2026 model features significantly recalibrated steering and suspension systems that transform the daily driving experience without compromising the legendary off-road capabilities that define the Wrangler. Tighter steering gear tolerances eliminate the vague, wandering sensation that has plagued previous generations on highways, while new speed-sensitive electronic power steering assist provides appropriate feedback across all driving conditions. The suspension improvements are equally impressive, with revised spring rates that better control body motion during highway driving while maintaining the articulation needed for serious off-road work. New shock absorbers feature improved valving that provides better damping control across a wider range of conditions, significantly reducing the harsh ride quality that has historically been the trade-off for off-road capability. These changes work together to create a more composed, comfortable driving experience that makes the Wrangler genuinely enjoyable for daily use. Perhaps most importantly, these refinements have been achieved without sacrificing the Wrangler's legendary off-road articulation and capability. The suspension still provides the wheel travel and flexibility needed to navigate challenging terrain, while the improved on-road manners make the journey to and from the trail far more pleasant. The 2026 Jeep Wrangler is the perfect storm, a last-chance V8, a hybrid that actually impresses, and refinements that fix old pain points. Whether you're a die-hard off-roader or just want a more livable adventure rig, this might be the best Wrangler ever. What do you think? Will you go for the final V8 or the high-tech hybrid? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest on the vehicles that matter.